How to know if Samsung S8 is original? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to check if your Samsung Galaxy S8 is original or fake, in just a few simple steps. Whether you just bought one or you're planning to, this quick guide will help you avoid getting scammed. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the IMEI. First, type this on the phone. This will show your IMEI number. Then, go to a website like imei.info and enter the number. If the phone is original, the website will show the Samsung Galaxy S8 details like the model, specs, and more. Step 2. Check the build quality. Now, take a close look at the phone's design. The original Galaxy S8 has a premium glass body, curved edges, and no physical home button. Also, it has a USB-C charging port, not micro USB. If anything feels cheap or different, it might be fake. Step 3. About phone settings. Go to Settings, then tap About phone. Check if the model number starts with SAMGUNG. You can also use apps like CPU-Z to confirm if the specs match a real Galaxy S8, like the display, processor, and camera. Step 4. Samsung Members app. Download the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. If the phone is real, it will register correctly with Samsung and show official support options. Step 5. Download mode. Finally, turn off the phone and hold volume down, Bixby, and power. This should launch download mode. If it doesn't work or looks wrong, that's a red flag. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to check if your Samsung Galaxy 8 is original or fake. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.